Welcome back. I hope you were able to learn some basic concepts about management from the previous videos. In this video, let's learn how to use the quick diagnostic tool. MSME counselors will apply the quick diagnostic tool to evaluate MSMEs businesses. Based on these evaluations, you can advise them to improve their businesses yourselves or introduce them to MSME consultants. The quick diagnostic tool can be used on your tablet, your Android smartphone, and your computer. So when you visit MSMEs, you will be able to apply the tool using your tablet or your smartphone and give them advices at their premises. Now let's go into the details of the quick diagnostic tool. On your tablet, your smartphone, or your computer, you will see this on your screen when you open the quick diagnostic tool application. You first ask for the MSME's general information like company name, owner name, sex, age, location, etc., and input the information in the application. Then, you select the MSME's business sector. Choose the correct sector because the following questions will be changing depending on whether the MSME is a manufacturing company or a commercial or service company. Later, select its size from micro, small, or medium. Then, you ask how much of the MSME's productions are from orders. You now know what MTO or make to order is from the previous videos, right? When you input the percentage of MTO, production as stock or MTS is automatically calculated, so no need to enter here. You will then ask percentage of customers who are regular. When you enter the percentage, customers who are new is automatically calculated, so there is no need to enter a number here either. Check if this MSME has high variety of products or low variety of products and answer the question here. Also, ask how the MSME records accounting information, whether on a notebook or a computer, or whether they're not recording at all, and answer this question. In the next section, you ask questions related to sales and marketing, production and operation, and resource and financial management. It is a yes or no question that the owner will answer. Here are the sample questions. For example, you ask the owner, "Is your company sales decreasing?" If he says yes, you choose yes. If he says, not really, then you choose no. Lastly, input the MSME's financial information. Note that the quick diagnostic tool will still work even if the MSME cannot answer these questions. If the MSME don't know these numbers, you can help them make accounting records so that the MSME will be able to answer the questions in the future. Now let's try this exercise. Pause this video, read it, and try using the quick diagnostic tool to make a diagnosis of this company called Kebebe Metal Engineer. Were you able to input the information correctly? Here are the answers. Pause the video to check if your inputs were correct. These are the answers based on Mr. Kebebe's explanation. This is what you should input as financial information based on Mr. Kebebe's explanation. After you input the information correctly, the result appears. The quick diagnostic tool presents a diagnosis results in two sections. The first one is the causal relationships among the problems based on the owner's perceptions. And the second one is analysis based on the company's financial information. Let's take a look at Mr. Kebebe's problems and the causal relationships between them. Note that the arrows show which problems is affecting which. For example, limited sales to regular clients may be one of the causes for difficulty in sales control or planning, and difficulty in sales control or planning may be the reason for difficulty in inventory control. So in this case, limited sales to regular clients may be causing the other problems. So Mr. Kebebe may try to increase regular clients to solve the other problems. Please also remember that the red boxes are problems that Mr. Kebebe is aware of, but the yellow boxes are problems that he may not be aware of. So it may be important to let Mr. Kebebe know that insufficient registering system in yellow may be a problem he should try to solve. Sometimes the result shows a vicious cycle where problems becomes the cause of other problems. In Mr. Kebebe's case, low productivity may be able to break the vicious cycle and turn them into a virtuous cycle instead. Finally, if the MSME can present their financial information, the quick diagnostic tool can analyze how healthy the business is by looking at the financial indicators, which will be calculated automatically. In the case of Mr. Kebebe, he may have liquidity problems as the message shows. You can see that the reason for the liquidity problem is that the cash turnover period is 0.24 months, which is quite low for a metal company like his. Lastly, please keep in mind that the quick diagnostic tool is not magic. The diagnosis result may not always perfectly reflect the real situation of the company. If the quick diagnostic tool is perfect, there is no need for a MSME counselor. The companies can use the diagnostic tool themselves on their tablets or smartphones to identify their problems. Rather, the diagram or the quick diagnostic tool plays the role of further deepening conversations with the business owner so that the counselor can make careful and informed decisions for the companies. Now that you learned how to use the quick diagnostic tool, you can move on to the next video.